Hi Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 1st to August the 3rd reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, you might wanna join the live sessions. Pero kung hindi ko po maabutan, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So, Leo, if you still care about your exes, ihihiwalay natin siya, no? So, nandun po sa Facebook ang X-Files. Ayan. So, I'll be frequently doing an X readings, no? So, ayan po. So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Magsimula na tayo. No? So Leo, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang ang tagal-tagal? Or parang sinabi mo dito, sa tagal ng panahon, no? Maitatapon mo itong relationship natin ng ganyan, no? Parang ang dali-dali. Ang dali-dali, parang ito yung gusto mong sabihin, no? Ang dali-dali sa'yo, itapon yung relationship as if parang naglaro lang ba tayo? Diba? Kasi we consume time, no? There are memories, and these memories consist of months, years. Hindi ito yung naging jowa kita kahapon, tas okay lang sana kung kahapon kita naging jowa, no? Tapos, ang dali naman maka-move on, no? Pero kasi, what I value here is also the memories that we shared together. And sa'yo, no? Parang si Leo mismo ang nagsasabi, sa'yo ang dali. Ganun lang yun. Parang I feel walang value. Wala akong value, walang value yung relationship natin. Ganun ba yun? With the 9 of Cups, the 4 of Wands, the 6 of Cups. So, ang dami kasing plans, no? And I feel like there are a lot of challenges that happen to this. I feel like this is the longest and most painful, no? Na separation mo with your person. It makes me feel like yung mga plans dito, napunta na tayo sa kasal, sa future na magkakaroon tayo ng anak, no? There are also memories about the birthdays. Um, are we just going to throw that all away? No? With the Six of Cups, the Seven of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles. So, at least for me, no? Siguro meron din ako mga nasabi from the past, or it could be just recent because of this heightened emotion, but I didn't really mean that. No, alam mo naman, kapag ako naiinis kung ano-ano yung nasasabi ko, right? So, what I am seeing in here is, yes, you might be having, or you might have a little contribution when it comes to why you end up this way. Pero that's not what you actually wanted to experience or what you truly need with the Queen of Cups and the Empress. Um, wow, ang masakit pa dito, Leo, no? Yung a small percentage of you, this happened kung kailan meron ng laman yung tiyan natin, no? For the majority percentage, no? For the majority percentage of you, ang nakikita ko dito is bakit kung kailan naging seryoso yung mga usapan, nagkaroon tayo ng mga usapang bibili ng bahay, bibili ng sasakyan, mag-start up ng business, tsaka mo pa ako gaganituhin, tsaka mo pa ako iiwan, no? With the Three of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Page of Swords. So, I felt like sa sobrang haba nitong separations ninyo and painful, parang you still waited, no? You still waited for your person. Um, with a page of swords in here, you know what, Leo? Ang nakikita ko dito, siguro sa sobrang lala lang nitong separation, sobrang lala nung away nung nangyari, anumang event ito na pinagtalunan ninyo. Siguro nakapagbitaw kayo ng mga salita sa isa't isa, no? For a few numbers of you, siguro nalagay pa kayo sa third party situation, no? With the Six of Swords and the World card, I feel like there will be some changes on the heightened emotion, on the separation, on the pain, um, on the time frame, no? And what I am seeing in here is actually an agreement between you and your person. Actually, the Page of Swords is through your waiting, no, through the waiting period, I feel like you're gonna get the highest form of the abundance, and it could be the abundance that is more than what you are thinking or expecting with a Wheel of Fortune. No, with a Page of Swords, I'm signing up a contract with you that I'm not going to leave anymore, and the Six of Swords here, it felt like when the Six of Swords is journeying into a calmer water, no? So parang ito yung time na when things are into the, yung parang sabihin natin, kumalma, no? Itong mga emotions natin. I feel like this relationship is going to have its rebirth with the World card. No, I see you. For a few numbers of you with the Empress and the World card, this is actually a life-changing experience. I feel like this is a womb, and I feel like you are probably thinking of ano kaya magiging future ng bata kung wala siyang tatay, no? I'm kind of afraid just by thinking of it, but I want you to know if you are in this situation, hindi lalaki na yung or before no you give birth, magkakaroon talaga dito ng balikan because with the Page of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. So that confirms no na your person's going to return, work on the connection, work on your relationship with the Ten of Cups in here. I also feels like um, building the family, all of these promises, all of these aspirations are gonna come true and more than what you are actually expecting, no? Yun nga lang, as of the moment, medyo we may be feeling a little down. It could be a hormonal balance, especially for those who are um, uh, carrying a baby, no? You might wanna have a PT, or probably ultrasound, no? Um, Again, that's just for a small percentage of you, but I feel like there is really a rebirth, a good um relationship waiting, no, for the two of you. This is not the end of the connection, but instead I am seeing um reconciliation, cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. No, I need to sort things out first because before I can come to you and I dream about you last night or at you at night. Yeah, about you at night. So there you go. Ang nakikita ko dito is more of so parang eto na nga. No, nakokonsensya si person, they're dreaming about you every night. So, ayusin ko muna yung sarili ko. Ayusin ko muna itong um, thinking ko, no? Or I need to also, sabihin natin, ayusin itong mindset, no? Para pagbalik ko, hindi na ako aalis. And actually, there is a realization of staying in the connection, no? Um, and not leaving you again. So let's check the zodiac sign of the person. So this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So Pisces, Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, uh, Scorpio, Cancer, Virgo, did I miss something? None. So yeah, so that is your reading. Leo, para po sa mga bago. Did I just say Leo? Baka may kapwa Leo din ito, no? So, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV, no? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Leo, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Doon lang po ako nagta-transact, no? Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, how much per question, the QR code, nandun din po yung sinasabi nating name and number for your reference. I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus one. No, that's already a promotion. Yeah, take advantage of it. If you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po siya sa description box, no? Again, if you still care about your exes, dun po yan sa Facebook, no? That's actually X-Files. Again, I'll be frequently posting videos for exes. Ayan. So, Leo, tuloy pa rin ang manhunt. Please report those fake accounts na nasa description box then. Screenshot and send it to the designated email, no? So that I can choose, no, a winner for a personal reading. Leo, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.